Hi dear students, welcome you all for today's statistics class. In the previous class, already we have discussed about tabulation and parts of tabulation and format of a tabulation. What are the parts are included in a tabulation? So we already discussed in the last class. In this video, we are going to know about new concept is types of table. So there are three types in a tables. Let us know about what are the tables. So tables can be classified according to their purpose, nature of the data or nature of the characteristics as follows. So we have three types of tables. First one is simple or one-way table. Second one is two-way table. Third one is manifold table. We have three types of tables. Let us know about the one by one. Okay, students. First, we should know about the simple or one-way table. Simple or one-way table means if only one characteristics is represented in a table is called simple or one-way table. For example, the employees of an organization can be represented according to their ages or marital status or category of work or any others. When we are giving importance only for one characteristics or single quality, that is called as an one-way table or simple table. In a table, we are giving importance only for one single characteristics, that is called as a simple or one-way table. We will take one example. See students, here is an example for one-way table or simple table. The blank table given below the representation of the number of residents with different occupation in a locality. Occupation and number of residents. Number of residents only single characteristics. Occupations are different, but number of residents are same. We are giving importance only for single characteristics. So this is the best example for the one-way or simple table. Okay, students. Next, we should know about the next type of table, that is two-way table. Two-way table means if two characteristics are represented in a table, it is called two-way table. Here, either stub or caption or both is divided into coordinate parts. Means when we are recording the data we are giving importance for two characteristics. We are giving importance for two characteristics. So two qualities. That data is called as an two-way table. So take an example here. The blank table given below represents the number of residents with different occupation and according to their sex in a location. So in this table they are given information of occupation and next number of residents. So occupation is different: office assistants, businessmen, teachers, bank employees and total. Next, number of residents. Under the number of residents we are giving importance for two characteristics. One characteristic is men, another one is women. In the previous type of table, so we are giving importance only for number of residents, that's it. We are not classified again, but in this table we are classifying again men and women. So men is one type of characteristics and women is one type of characteristics. So this is the two-way table. When we are giving the importance for two characteristics or two qualities, so that data is called as an two-way table data. Okay students, I think all are understood. These are the differences between this is the one-way table, this is the two-way table. Okay students, next we should know about one more example for two-way table. Faculties, arts, commerce, science and total. Next, number of students. Number of students, again they are classified into two types, that is two-way. One way is boys, second one is girls. When we are recording the data in the form of two characteristics or two qualities, different ways, that data is considered in a two-way table data. Okay students, and next part and next type and final type is manifold table. It is the last type of table, manifold table. Manifold table means if the more than two characteristics are represented in a table, it is called manifold data. When we are recording the data or arranging the data by using a more than two characteristics, or more than two qualities, so that data is called as an manifold table data. So here stubs and captions are divided into two or more parts. So I will take an example for this. This is the example. See students, this is the example for manifold data. First they are given information of occupation. Under the occupation, office, businessman, teachers, bank, total. Next we are recording the number of residents. Under the number of residents, they are classified into two, men and women. Men again classified into two, married and single. Women also classified into two, married and single. So this is the more than two classification, or it is classifying based on the more than two characteristics. So that data is called as an manifold data table. So in the previous table we are recording only two characteristics, boys and girls, but here men and women two characteristics after the men. So under the men again we are classified into married or single. Women also again we are classified into married and single. So when we are giving the more than two characteristics, when we are giving importance for more than two characteristics, that data is related to the manifold table. Okay students, I think all are understood. There is three types of tables. First one is one-way table. So we are giving importance only for one characteristics, means number of residents. Next, two-way table. We are giving importance for number of residents and are again classified into two, men and women. We are giving importance for two ways, means one is men, second one is women. Manifold data. We are giving importance for more than two characteristics. So number of residents classified into two, men and women. Again men and women they are classified into two. So married and single. So when we are giving importance for more than two characteristics, that data is related to the manifold data, manifold table. Okay students, I think all are understood. Okay, thank you to all.